Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I'm excited to share how to make a special treat, fry bread at home. Here are the ingredients: all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, water. In a large bowl, place 2 cups of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Slowly add warm water. Mix the ingredients until you reach the right dough consistency. If the dough is too wet, gradually add more flour until it's firm. Transfer the dough to a kneading surface. Be sure to dust the surface and rolling pin with flour. Knead the dough, adding small amounts of flour if necessary, until it becomes smooth. Let the dough rest for 5 minutes, covered with a cloth or plastic wrap. After resting, divide the dough. Use the rolling pin to flatten it. Heat canola oil about 1 inch deep in a pan. Fry the flattened dough until golden brown on both sides. Sprinkle with cinnamon powder and sugar. You can also serve with jelly or jam, depending on your preference. Enjoy your homemade fry bread. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.